What's good, GadInsider crew? The Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is already in the works, and it's packing some serious next-gen vibes. Stick with us to uncover the latest leaks and why this smart ring could be a game changer. Samsung's first Galaxy Ring turned heads as a lightweight fitness tracker. The Galaxy Ring 2, it's teasing better battery tech and more. Curious? Let's break it down. Samsung dropped the Galaxy Ring earlier this year, a tiny wearable that tracks your sleep, activity, and health, all from your finger. No bulky smartwatch, just sleek, lightweight vibes. It's been a hit for those who want fitness tracking without the wrist clutter. But now, according to a report from Korea's Money Today, Samsung's already cooking up the Galaxy Ring 2. Word on the street is the Galaxy Ring 2 could rock new battery tech for better power efficiency. Imagine longer usage without needing to charge your ring every day. Perfect for fitness buffs and tech lovers. Here's the catch though. Don't expect it anytime soon. Early rumors hinted at a late 2025 drop, but the latest scoop says it's likely coming after the Galaxy S26 series launch in early 2026. So we're looking at a wait, but if Samsung nails this, it could be worth it. What could make the Galaxy Ring 2 stand out? Maybe smarter AI for health insights or a sleeker design? What do you think Samsung should add? Let's get those ideas flowing. Okay, GadInsider fam, are you hyped for the Galaxy Ring 2? Drop a comment with your dream features for this smart ring. Hit that like button if you're all about wearable tech and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest scoops.